Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on reviews on your Amazon shopping app. We will go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your account. All you have to do, just go down here, you click here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you a window like this, and then you just click here on permissions. So and it's going to take you to next window here, you just waiting to show for your window like this, and you just go down here. So you keep going down and you come here to reviews, you just click here on this mark, and you just waiting to turn on video. So this color show for us, that's my reviews, it's turned on now. So that's all you have to do to turn on reviews on your shopping Amazon shopping app. So that's all. I wish now I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.